Hello guys, I am Mark, a freelance cartoonist and a web developer. This tutorial is all about how you can change your phone from normal settings into the developer mode. Before that, let me open my Autodesk, check how my screen is before I go into changing it into developer option. This is my Autodesk. Let me open it. As you can see my normal Autodesk, you can see it is just plain. It is plain in the sense that if I want to pick any tools, I have to go to press the option A and select any tools I want to use. As you can see it. So let me go into changing my phone into a developer. Let me go to settings. I am on settings. After settings, just look for system. The system is right here. Just click on it. Scroll down and click on about phone. That's it. So look for something like build number or build number. Yeah, my build number is here. So all I have to do now is press the build number 7 times. Now let me start. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let me try to enter my password. Can you see now? I am now a developer. Now let me look for the developer option. I think it's not here. Let me go back. Developer option is here. So let me press it. What I'm about to do now is look for the smallest width. I'm gonna change it. Smallest width. Where is my smallest width? I'm the motherfucking ghost. Smallest width. Yeah. As you can see, here is my smallest width, and it is 320. So what I'm going to do now is change it. Let me increase it. For instance, let me put it at 552. Press OK. Can you see now? Can you see my phone now? Everything is gonna change. You can see my menu, you can see my application, everything has changed. Now let me open my Autodesk sketchbook. Here it is. Wow. Can you see my status and also my layers? You see everything has been assembled. So that's all about it. There's no big deal about changing your phone into developer option. So that's all about the tutorial. Just click on the subscribe to my channel and wait for more videos. Thank you for watching the video. I am Mark. Thank you.